For years, Mazda has been pushing boundaries by delivering premium-level quality and driving dynamics at mainstream-priced packages. As the brand's flagship model, the CX-90 stands out in particular as a perfect example of how Mazda has evolved from a simple economy brand to a genuine premium contender. Stay with us and find out what really makes the 2026 Mazda CX-90 so special and why competition can't match this. Exterior design. Luxury without the badge. The 2026 CX-90 continues to dominate the styling game with its sleek, upscale appearance that makes competitors look downright boring. At 15 inches longer than the CX-50, this is Mazda's largest SUV, and it wears that size with athletic elegance. The long hood and set-back passenger cabin give it a premium profile that looks more like a BMW X5 or Land Rover than a mainstream family hauler. This is no accident. Mazda deliberately designed the CX-90 with the proportions of luxury European SUVs. For 2026, Mazda adds even more visual punch with the expanded premium sport trim, which features blacked-out elements including the grille, badges, side mirrors, lower bumpers, and roof rails. The 21-inch wheels with dark finish on this trim add a particularly aggressive stance that other three-row family SUVs simply don't match. While the Kia Telluride and Hyundai Palisade might offer more flash, the CX-90 delivers something more timeless and sophisticated. What's truly impressive is how Mazda managed to make this three-row SUV look sleek and dynamic despite its substantial size. The flowing lines, minimal overhangs, and precise detailing create a vehicle that looks genuinely premium, not just nice for its price point. The CX-90 proves that family-focused doesn't have to mean style-compromised. Interior design, almost too nice for family duty. This is where the CX-90 truly separates itself from mainstream rivals. Inside, you'll find an interior that wouldn't look out of place in a luxury brand showroom. The dashboard features a clean, horizontal design with premium materials throughout. Higher trims get striking fabric dash inserts and Nappa leather that feels softer and more premium than what you'll find in many luxury branded SUVs costing thousands more. The attention to detail is evident everywhere, from the crisp digital displays to the physical climate controls that offer tactile feedback. The CX-90 perfectly balances modern technology with timeless design elements. Unlike some competitors that throw in shiny plastic trim and call it premium, Mazda uses genuine high-quality materials that look and feel substantial. Seating configurations are flexible, with most trims offering either a second-row bench for 7 to 8 passenger capacity or optional captain's chairs, reducing capacity to 6 to 7, depending on third-row configuration. The second-row captain's chairs are particularly impressive, offering excellent comfort for adult passengers. While the third row is best suited for children or shorter trips, it's much more spacious than the old CX-9. The CX-90's cabin is quiet, with excellent sound insulation that keeps road and wind noise well suppressed even at highway speeds. This quiet cabin enhances the premium feel and makes long road trips notably less fatiguing. The only downside? The stylish design means cargo capacity slightly trails segment leaders like the Telluride and Pilot, with 16 cubic feet behind the third row, 40 cubic feet with it folded, and a maximum of 75 cubic feet with all seats down. Tech features: premium function, not just flash. Technology in the CX-90 follows Mazda's philosophy of refinement over gimmicks. The 2026 model makes the 12.3-inch infotainment display standard on all but the base Select trim, providing a clear, wide interface for navigation and entertainment. Mazda's interface is controlled via a rotary dial on the center console rather than touch, a setup that takes some getting used to, but ultimately allows for less distracted driving. The system includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on most trims, with wireless charging available on upper models. Higher trims get a fully digital gauge cluster that looks crisp and provides customizable information displays. The available 12-speaker Bose premium audio system delivers excellent sound quality throughout the cabin. Safety technology is comprehensive across the lineup. All CX-90s come with Mazda's iActive Sense suite of driver aids, including automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist. The system is notably well-tuned. Adaptive cruise control responds more naturally than some competitors, with smoother acceleration and braking patterns. One standout tech feature is the available 360-degree camera system on upper trims, which provides excellent visibility for parking maneuvers. While the CX-90 doesn't offer as many flashy tech features as some rivals, the ones it does have work exceptionally well and feel more polished. Powertrain, European performance, Japanese reliability. The 2026 CX-90 continues with its exceptional powertrain lineup, headlined by a turbocharged 3.3-liter inline-six engine that's more commonly found in luxury European brands than mainstream family SUVs. This engine architecture, similar to what you'd find in a BMW, delivers exceptionally smooth power delivery and refined operation. The engine comes in 2 power levels. Standard models produce 280 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque, while S models bump output to an impressive 340 horsepower and 369 pound pound-feet. Both versions feature a 48-volt mild hybrid system that improves efficiency and smooths out the stop-start function. All CX-90s pair this engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive. Performance is genuinely impressive for a 3-row family SUV. The S models can hit 60 miles per hour in just 6.3 seconds, quicker than many luxury SUVs. More importantly, the inline-6 delivers its power with a smoothness and refinement that makes everyday driving more enjoyable. Highway passing power is abundant, with strong mid-range punch that makes merging and overtaking effortless. Fuel economy is competitive for such a powerful vehicle, with EPA ratings of 24 miles per gallon city and 28 miles per gallon highway for the standard engine, and 23 city 28 highway for the more powerful S version. In real-world highway driving, the CX-90 can actually exceed its EPA estimates, with S models capable of achieving 29 miles per gallon on steady highway cruises. That's impressive efficiency for a powerful 3-row SUV. Ride quality, handling, and comfort. This is where Mazda's sporting DNA really shines through. While most 3-row SUVs focus solely on comfort, the CX-90 delivers a driving experience that's genuinely engaging. The steering is precise and well-weighted, and the chassis feels remarkably balanced for such a large vehicle. In corners, the CX-90 exhibits minimal body roll and inspires confidence in a way that most family SUVs simply don't. Yet this sporting character doesn't come at the expense of comfort. The suspension manages to filter out most road imperfections while still maintaining composure over larger bumps. Highway stability is excellent, with the CX-90 tracking straight and true even in crosswinds or on undulating pavement. The only minor criticism is that the ride can feel a bit firm over broken city streets with the 21-inch wheels, though it's never harsh or uncomfortable. The CX-90's brakes deserve special mention. They provide excellent stopping power and good pedal feel in emergency situations. For normal driving, the brake pedal can be a touch sensitive at first, requiring some adjustment period for smooth stops. But overall, the CX-90 strikes a balance of comfort and handling prowess that few competitors can match. What's particularly impressive is that Mazda has achieved this level of driving dynamics without compromising on practicality. Yes, the Telluride and Palisade offer slightly more interior space, but the CX-90 feels like a much more premium and engaging vehicle to drive. For families who don't want to give up driving enjoyment when they need 3 rows, the CX-90 is in a class of its own. Pricing, premium feel at mainstream cost. The 2026 Mazda CX-90 starts at around $40,000 for the base Select trim and ranges up to approximately $58,000 for the fully loaded S Premium Plus model. While this isn't inexpensive, it represents remarkable value when you consider the vehicle's premium feel, powerful performance, and luxurious interior. What Mazda has accomplished here is truly special. The CX-90 delivers a genuine premium experience at a mainstream price point. Compare it to luxury-branded 3-row SUVs from Acura, Infiniti, or Lincoln, and the CX-90 feels just as upscale while saving you thousands. Even the base model comes well-equipped with the inline-6 engine, all-wheel drive, and a comprehensive suite of safety features. The sweet spot in the lineup is the S Premium trim, starting around $54,500. For that price, you get the 340 horsepower engine, Napa leather, heated and ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, a heated steering wheel, a 12-speaker Bose audio system, ambient lighting, 21-inch wheels, a panoramic sunroof, and a hands-free power liftgate. That's a level of equipment that would cost well over $65,000 from a luxury brand. Of course, you don't get the badge prestige of a luxury marque, but for smart buyers looking for substance over status, the CX-90 makes a compelling case. And unlike many European luxury SUVs that can be reliability nightmares out of warranty, the CX-90 benefits from Mazda's strong reliability record. The 2026 Mazda CX-90 isn't for everyone. If maximum cargo space or third-row room is your top priority, the Kia Telluride or Honda Pilot might serve you better. But for those who appreciate refined driving dynamics, premium quality, and upscale design, the CX-90 offers an experience that truly punches above its weight class. It's a perfect example of Mazda's upmarket evolution, a family SUV that feels special every time you drive it, not just another appliance for hauling people and stuff. And that's what really sets the 2026 Mazda CX-90 apart from everything else in its class. It's a family SUV that you'll actually look forward to driving, not just endure for practical reasons. But Mazda isn't the only automaker that made a premium feel approachable to the masses. Check out this video about the all-new Kia K4 hatchback, which you can now see on the screen. The Korean carmaker continues to push the limits of what to expect in terms of luxury from something that's essentially a small and affordable economy car. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.